Alright guys, we are back here at One Stop Paint Shop today because I got some super rare stuff for my car that I've been searching for forever. Literally since I saw the car for the first time, I knew I was going to need these. It had the factory side skirts on it, which is still cool, and they're still expensive. To buy factory side skirts and factory aero right now is like $1,000, you know, for the OEM stuff. But what's unique about the stuff I got was it was only available on the JDM models. So my car, even though it's a JDM Supra, didn't come with it on it because you had to order it at the time of purchase. So the RZ TRD appearance package is something that I've been hunting since literally I saw the car for the first time. So you already saw that I got the rear visor, I got the license plate garnishes. Now, finally, I have the rear spats and the side skirts. It took forever to find them. I didn't want replica ones, so I had to find some OG ones, and that took some time. But now I have them, so we're gonna go check them out, get them put on the car. Cannot wait to really finish off the appearance of the car before we move on to some other stuff that I got in Japan. So, let's go check it out. All right, pull it back once. Okay. All right, so here's what the side skirts look like currently. Factory, just repainted on the bottoms there. And then this one, if my main man Pete here can put it down, this is the JDM side skirt on the RZs. So this was an option that you could only purchase as a package when you bought the car. So even though this is a JDM Supra from Japan, not all of them come with it on it. So you gotta get this. And now we have it. The next piece to complete the set is this, which is a rear spat. So, also available on the JDM only cars, but this one goes right here and just fits on perfectly like that. So again, that's what it looks like stock. We're gonna put these on, really finish off that JDM RZ look. All right, so not only does it bolt in, but it gets hit with this double-sided tape. So it can go on there just perfect. Right, Pete?
Oh no. Ready. You forgot to take the cover off.
Ha 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 ha. Please tell me that fits.
Not gonna fit. You just try to fit it.
Damn. It's about as OG as it gets right there. See how perfectly that fits up? That's why you don't buy the cheap ones. Alright, so what's crazy about these pieces is that even though they're just the plain basic factory ones that everybody got on their Supras, if you didn't order this appearance package that I just got,
These are $1,000 now. So I don't know why they're so crazy in demand, but $1,000 for these now. It's insane. There you go. The original one. So pretty similar, but what we're actually getting is this whole skirt right here. All right.
Looks like we're on the money.
Fits perfect. Again, OEM parts fit like they should. So if you've got an OEM part, you see it'll have a number stamped in there, right hand side. That's how you know you got the right one. There's a lot of reps out here. They don't always fit as good. Need a lot of extra work, so getting some actual ones speeds things up. Alright guys, we just got the side skirts on and the rear spats on. They look amazing. I'm so happy I went with the OEM ones to give it that real complete look. They fit perfect, so super happy with it. Check it out. No gaps. Perfect. Thank you. Don't leave me hanging.
You got it.
Thank you, sir. Alright guys, so finishing touch on the outside. Well, not finishing. There's still more that needs to be done, but next touch on the outside appearance of the car. We stopped at Evasive Motorsports on the way home and picked up some center caps for the SSR wheels, which currently are non-existent. So shout out the homies at Evasive Motorsports for plugging me with these, and we're gonna put them on and see how they look. All right, so here's the center cap. Focus. There you go. So these you need a deeper cap for to cover that up. So let's see how they look. Alright, so the caps are on. Looking good. Need to get these wheels refinished. They're still a little rough. But brakes, rotors, refinish these lips, and we should be in business. But so far it's coming along. I'm super happy with it. More things to come. Just you wait. Sick. Okay, bonus shot real quick though. This is the R33 GTR that I drove when I was in Japan, and it just arrived. So, super excited to be able to drive this car both in Japan and in the US. So I'll probably have to go down to Oceanside and harass Dustin a little bit in this car. Maybe get him to take a few photos here. You know, 2 continents. Could be fun. All right, that's all.